Hi, I'm Sarah from Baking with Sarah, and I'm a woman who loves her morning routine. I don't like to start my day without a delicious baked good and an exceptional cup of coffee. So today, I baked up my favorite pumpkin bread. So moist, so delicious, it'll have you saying, mmm. But you know what makes it even better? Is pairing it with some Caveman coffee. Let's pour some coffee and cut a slice, and start the morning off right. Boop, boop. Cheers. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Lucky Treats and Caveman Coffee make your mornings a little more delicious.